Should we start with pants? I feel like pants are more limiting.
Yeah.
Jeans. There's jeans here and there's jeans here. There's so many jeans.
I think this is the women's side.
Oh, good.
Jeans.
Jeans, jeans, jeans.
God, what is my size?
They're like baggy kind of.
Yeah.
At least on the bottom. See, and this is the sale that we're following.
This would fit me on the waist, and then we could just find...
Oh, a different pair of pants to do the bottom?
Because I think like this, the bottom of this, is pretty perfect. Okay, what else do we need? A black blazer?
Oh, here they are. Men's blazers. So you got your VHS. They have Peter Pan.
I already own it.
Of course you do. That's just the kids stuff.
Good stuff is what I want.
Wait, they have anime. Like anime in Japanese. Gegege no Kitaro.
Oh, weird.
I love this place.
Back to clothes.
That's too baggy. Oh no, wait, hers is not cropped.
Right here.
It's a little gray. There's gotta be a full
We'll go to the men's side. Okay. Full on
That's
suit.
too big.
Or even just a medium, because hers is like long, so.
True. You want your face in it?
Oh, these are all way too big.
It's back to the mini section.
Because it's just kind of the right length.
It is.
And like,
yeah, that you're right. You're right. It's like a scavenger hunt.
Yes.
I can't wait to look at shoes. Can't wait to look at shoes.
So a lot of it is just black strappy heels. Because the closest thing like this
Oh, that's pretty good.
looks like the size is way off. Yeah, I'm not a 6. I have bigger feet than that.
We've exhausted our options and we got a lot. This whole pile is us. So.
Stop 2.
We're going to Wise Owl Thrift, another great thrift store. It's here in Santa Ana, California. Just opened, does a lot of great charitable stuff for the community. I'm really excited to see what they have. Let's go. Let's go. Sarah,
Hi.
I got you something.
Is this Minions?
Yes.
Putting it back.
Inuyasha.
Oh my gosh. I like it. This one is $19.95.
They have a Pac-Man cabinet for sale. Sarah, I want it. People just don't need them. I know it's expensive. I still want it.
What?
Come on, back on topic.
Oh yeah.
This might work. I mean, you can't really see it anyways.
Yeah. Oh, that one I think is better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that one's a better color.
Yeah, that's good. We're done with this one. Okay, so we've just come back from our thrifting trip. It was honestly a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I honestly think we did way better than
We did.
I thought we were gonna do.
We found a lot of the right colors, a lot of the right like fabric types.
Yeah, like I'm honestly shocked.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
And we only went to 2 places.
Yeah, we only 2 really small thrift shops had so much stuff. This outfit is based on
Chungha.
outfit from Wow Thing. I love Wow Thing and I think it's just such a fun song. So
She loves it so much. She knew exactly who.
Chungha.
I need to look up everyone's names.
Callie's a fake K-pop fan.
No. Yeah, I know. I'm not good with K-pop names.
Okay.
Anyways, so on top, she's wearing a yellow crop shirt. So we got this yellow t-shirt. I'm gonna flip around, cut off. Yellow crop. It's pretty self-explanatory. Then
here we have, she was also wearing a blazer, open, loose. So we got this blazer going on. It's gonna be going over the crop top. But I think the most interesting part is gonna be the pants.
so we actually got 2 pairs of jeans for the pants. Thrift store had an incredible assortment of jeans and pants in general. Honestly, right? Slacks and jeans and everything.
Really good prices. Probably the best
God.
prices.
These jeans I think were $2 each, right?
Yeah.
Something like that. So this is gonna be so
Chungha.
pants in Wow Thing is a pair of jeans cut and then suspenders and then more jeans. So this is gonna be the top part of the jeans because they're more fitted.
And this is gonna be the bottom.
Even though they're not the same color.
Yeah, we got different washes. This is a dark wash, that's a light wash.
Yeah.
Not great. These are maternity jeans, which is, I don't know, just thought I should
Well,
mention
we're not gonna see the top part, but they are maternity jeans.
But we're only using the thick 2C's bottom of the leg.
I'm so excited for this one. And of course, you needed the like suspenders, right? So they had this bag of belts. And so we're probably gonna either use the red one, even though hers aren't red.
They were white, but we felt like this kind of fit it more.
It did, especially because on her jeans, she had like a big red patch. I'm not really sure what that was.
No idea.
We actually got these shoes to match hers. They had a lot of shoes at a lot of the thrift stores, and these matched, right?
Yep, this was from I.O.I. They had really good quality shoes. Like they aren't worn down barely at all. They're very cute.
I think they're brand new.
They aren't, you can kind of see a little bit of wear on the like front here, but someone did not like wearing heels, I guess.
I
happy
don't even
for
think
it.
they wore them outside.
Maybe
Maybe
not.
someone just tried it on in the store.
Maybe.
I think that's what happened.
Yeah. But cute.
Yeah,
Very
these are
cute.
cute shoes.
Super cute.
Good
Very
deal.
happy with them. Thank you, I.O.I. You guys were honestly great.
Yeah, we had such a good time.
Yeah.
There. That's a great store. She has a brand logo across the crotch of her pants. It's not the right font, but if you're staring at someone's crotch that long, then maybe you need to not do that. So I'm not too worried about that. This paper that I printed it out on is just dark transfer paper. So dark meaning that when I iron this, it's not going to be see-through. I did not think that just ironing letters onto something would make me so tired. It is super off-center. It's a bit of the nature of the design. It's a design choice. I made a design choice. This was a conscious decision. She's wearing a yellow tank underneath it, crop tank. So we found this yellow shirt. There is a design on the back. Don't worry about that because you're only going to see the front. Blam. Okay. Maybe I'll just do like one end up like that. Yeah, let's just do that. We're doing a zigzag stitch so that it stays stretchy. Just to fold it over about 1/2 inch. It's not too bad. It's not too bacony at the bottom. I think my favorite part about this outfit is that at the very top, kind of here, it says XOXO. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Let's use my bobbin case. Here we go. Close enough. And we're done at the top. Now, I know in the original it's actually a tank top with black straps, but just bear with me. This is the absolute best part of the video, the jeans. I'm just gonna cut straight into this. So we actually got a second pair of jeans to do the bottom part. So I'm just gonna like line these up and see approximately where I need to cut. I think I need to cut like here. Fold it in half. And using leftover jeans that I cut off, I'm gonna make little jean loops. Okay, we need 4 of them, so maybe about that much. 1, 2, 3. So on the top part, it goes right here where the pocket is. And I'm just gonna pin that. Same on the other side. And then on the bottom parts, it's kind of on the inner thigh area, maybe like here. I'm gonna put it on the inside so that you can't really see it. Even though I've literally never sewn jeans in my life, I decided to buy these jean needles like a year ago, and I finally get to use it. I'm so excited. Okay. And I'm just gonna sew a little square to make sure it's nice and secure. Woo! Oh boy, oh boy. Well, that was terrifying. I bet you're thinking, Callie, why didn't you just use the belt loops that are already there instead of like sewing on these weird extra loops? And my answer to you is, I didn't see them. Okay, so we got this belt thing at the store. I think it's a belt at least. We're going to be using this for the straps that hold the bottom and the top together. For now, I'm just gonna cut this in half. I can figure out in a second how long it actually needs to be. But I also got these gold, I guess they're called swivel clasps. If you go to Michael's or Joann's, they'll be in the bag section. Oh boy, that's good enough. That's pretty good, right? It's not bad. Oh boy, oh boy. It's a thick one. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna actually like see how long the jeans need to be, and then oh, come on, there we go. Make sure that you put the bad sides on the same side. So the very last part of this outfit is that there is writing on these straps. Now, I can't read it. It's not legible. I think it might say Zara. It's some brand name. But since I can't read it, I'm just gonna make it up. Okay. Now let's put it all together. And we're done. I almost forgot to mention that I also cut out a jean belt out of the extra jeans. I'm just gonna sew these two together because apparently she's just wearing like a jean belt that's literally just a piece of jean. So, because what are clothes anymore? Now we're making jelts? Okay.
Power woman.
You know it.
Oh, if only you could twerk. Now today on this film,
seamlessness.
Anyway, how did you think that went?
I liked it. I had fun. I
Yeah.
think out of all the outfits, because this one's kind of the most unique, it was the most fun to play around with and jump around with. I think it's really cool. And I love straps, man.
Oh yeah.
I just love straps.
Do you like what I put on them?
Yeah. More straps.
Bye-bye! Be sure to roast us down in the comments, hit that dislike button, and subscribe to see more content from us in the future for some reason. And if you are fluent in another language besides English, you can help us out by translating this video's subtitles.
When I was deep into middle school and I never had a self-insert Naruto OC because I had my own Naruto fanfiction that spanned over the course of 10 years of my life. And then I continued it like in my head forever. I never wrote it down. So I never had a self-insert because Naruto was my self-insert.
Oh my gosh.
But if I had a self-insert OC that I made in middle school, the colors would have been black, red, and gold.
Thank you for sharing.
Well, it is my YouTube channel. No comments from the videographer, please.